We've all been there. You apply your mascara and then you sneeze or you blink and whoops, you got mascara on your eyelid. But what if you have a full blown out smoky eye or eyeshadow on your eye? Now you're not going to be able to fix it without ruining the eyeshadow, right? Wrong. No more frustration. Today I'm going to show you how to easily fix that. The reason I have the same makeup on my eye as my how to cover your dark under eye circles is because I just finished filming it. So here I am applying my mascara and then whoop, oh no, what am I gonna do now? Now, a lot of us are just going ahead and trying to remove it, but then what if I have eyeshadow on? Like right now, like a lot of eyeshadow. If I remove that, that is going to remove my eyeshadow as well, and then I'm gonna have to patch it. It's not gonna look as seamless as it is right now. I have a solution for you. What you wanna do is first wait. Let it dry a little bit. While you're waiting for that to dry, just do the rest of your face, do your blush, do your lipstick, and just be patient and let it dry. Now once it's dry, grab a clean spoolie brush, and if you don't have that or you think you don't have that, just check one of your eyebrow pencils. A lot of them come with a spoolie on the other end, so you might have it without even noticing, and that would work just as well. I'm just using the one from my Galactic eyebrow pencil. Now what you want to do is gently go over it and scrub it. And as you do that, make sure to turn and twist your spoolie just like this so that you don't touch with the same area a few times, because then it's just going to smudge it furthermore. You just go like this. And that already removed a lot of it. Now I'm going to grab a Q-tip and a makeup removing wipe. Now this is key because if you're going to be using an actual makeup remover, it's going to just be liquid, and that way it's too intense that it's going to probably take off the makeup or the eyeshadow that you have underneath that mascara smudge. And if you use a makeup removing wipe, then it's still removing makeup, but it's a lot more gentle and it's not as wet. So I'm going to touch and kind of swirl my Q-tip in the makeup removing wipe, and then go over it very gently and lightly to remove the mascara smudge. And that didn't take off as much as an actual makeup remover would take, or you with your finger. Now you want to wait for that to dry before reapplying your eyeshadow, because if you're going to go with an eyeshadow right now on top of it and it's a little wet from the mascara, from the makeup removing wipe, then the eyeshadow is going to stick to it even more, and that is going to create that little patch that is going to look out of place. Now when you know that it's completely dry, take a tapered blending brush like the Sigma E45 and first go ahead and smudge it around so that you take the existing eyeshadow that you already have in place and cover that smudge. And only then, if you feel like it's even necessary, which you don't have to, then you take a little bit more of the same eyeshadow that you used and apply it on that little patch. And there you go. I hope you found this trick helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know if it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like that in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.